So, Executive 45, final! Tora. Executive 45, Executive 45. Got the all shot. Councilor Dandin Katipay, Timoy Old Gomez, Calamoroso, Arnel Lagnit. Sino pa to? This is Executive 45. Ala, oy, Bories nandyan. Tristan Galanto, Alegre, Maestro Jorbel Ricare. La 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 la.
Ito mga RFN bike 1,270,000.
Councilor Dandin Katipay on the lead. This is Executive 45. Ayun, no? Ayun, no? Dandin Katipay followed by Timoy Old Gomez. Wala, downhill, downhill. Arnel Lagnit. Wow! Lumipad. Ala, maestro. Wow! Councilor Dandin Katipay, Timoy Old Gomez, Arnel Lagnit, Calamoroso, Bories, Tristan Galanto. Hoy, hoy, hoy! 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 Calamoroso. Kano yan? Ayun. Bumalik. So, leading pa rin. It's Councilor. Councilor ba to? Dandin Katipay? Hala, Bories bay, grabe pagmangtas Bories. Hala, Tuara Arnel Lagnit on fourth. Labor, ay, agay, nasangit si Timoy. Ahay. So, it's Councilor Dandin Katipay. Ahay. Sumabit pa. Timoy Old Gomez, sumabit kay Bories. Sana si Timoy. Ayun. Ahay. Wow. Walang breakaway na. Breakaway na si Councilor Dandin Katipay. Oh, Bories, Arnel Lagnit, Tristan Galanto. Wow, 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 wow. Sayang ah! Breakaway na, Councilor Dandin Katipay. Ahay. Second, Bories. Arnel Lagnit and Tristan Galanto. White flag, white flag, white flag, white flag for Councilor. White flag, second, Bories. Ayun, no? Third, Arnel Lagnit. Fourth, Tristan Galanto. Sa ikalima ni, ikaw no, Maestro Jorbel Ricare. Estel, Councilor, Dandin, Katipay. Wow. Waiting for checkered flag, Councilor. Second, it's Boris. Third, Arnie Lacnit. And Tristan Galanto. Checkered flag. Wow, champion. Councilor Dandin Katipay. First. Boris on second. And Arnie Lacnit, Tristan Galanto. Congrats. And then Kisaning Kalima, Economics Maestro Jorbel Ricare.
Ay siyang mananalo 152,000 e-bike ng RFM.
Checkered flag, checkered flag.